Hello everyone, right now I am create for Fiverr colon. This one for Fiverr section, Fiverr categories. I am already create for Fiverr categories. So this one for my main website Laravel already create for Fiverr colon. I am already graphics design and digital marketing writing already add, and right now I am music and tech as a stuff for programming and tech function add. This is not Fiverr section working, so I am already add this section for technology. See this. Amazing. New function add. Okay, good. It's amazing. Okay, so right now I'm create for okay, right now I'm create for this section program and tech. Go to program and tech, this one I am just copy this section. Okay, this section for int, and only copy for 6 section. So I am remove this section and paste it. I am already copied this only 6 section, but problem is this is beta version tutorial, so I am not implement all, just 1 and 2 and 3 4 5 and 6, and this one for remove. Okay, remove. So WordPress, first one I'm go to for top up. This is one for WordPress and website builder and CMS. I'm go to my list already. I'm parents category add, and I'm go to subcategory. Go to subcategory. Okay, subcategory. Okay, create new and select for program and text, and this one for big. Okay, okay, copy this section. Right now I'm create for 6 section, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, this one copy. Okay, so this I am already 6 section at 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So select for program and tech, and for a save at already for all add. Okay, I am go to child category, and for create new, and for select WordPress, and this one WordPress. Okay, I'm big, and go to for this one, copy this full section and paste it, and remove this section. Okay, I'm already removed. So star mark add for all, star mark add. See this one for message, so you can star mark add, and one submit input for all child category. So I'm already for select, and select for subcategory and add. Okay, I am for all add section right now push, and then finish then, and then for showing. Okay, this one for last, I am select for e-commerce and for submit. Okay, already for add for a whole section technical program already these 3 sections show, but program is not show. So I am going for menu builder. Go to menu builder and select for menu. Okay, and this one already a mega menu add. See this section, but a 4 section is not add, 3 section already add. Okay, I am go to for technology. Okay, this one technology, I am select for all technology parents and subcategories. Okay, so see this, I am already add for all subcategories for program and take care, and add to menus, click. Already show for this one, but problem is right now for whole section show. See this, lots of file show. So I am for go to backend, and for second step create. Okay, sorry, this two, backup security. Okay, Okay, right now I am add for whole section and the second part show. Okay, right now I am already all this add, so this one minimize, this one minimize, and also this one minimize. Go to off, this one, this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Okay, just I am just for scroll down up and drag and system. See one drag, second one drag, third one drag, fourth, 5 and 6 and go to save location. Okay, refresh this section. See, already programmer section add, but problem is 3 column add and for 4 line show, so I am create for 6 line show. Go to this one and minimize. Okay, this one for WordPress, click and click 2 column. Okay, save and reload. See, already 2 column add. I am all file 2 column add WordPress, and second one for 2, sorry, second one to save. So I am already for all 2 column add, so reload and see, already section is complete. So I hope you like my video. You can read for Laravel clone script, so you can go for Hotlancer. So this one for Hotlancer colon Laravel Fiverr script, you can need this file, so purchase this file. I hope you like it my videos. So hopefully you like my video, you can subscribe my channel, and for you need for file of a Laravel Fiverr clone, so go and link description below, go to this one Hotlancer and purchase this file. And also for you can for similar you can need for script, so you can purchase this file.